I have two award winners from the Round 3 Buildings of Excellence Awards ceremony that NYSERDA has just produced with AIA New York and House Accelerator. And so it's really a pleasure to get to talk with you. Congrats on the award. And if you wouldn't mind introducing yourselves, and then we'll get into a little bit of the details of the project.
Sure. Jesse Schwartzberg, Black Mountain Architecture.
Dave Bruns, Bruns Realty Group.
Fantastic. So tell us about the project.
Yeah, it's Ecoflats at Log City. It's outside Albany, New York, and it's going to be 168 units, 13 buildings in total, FIAS 0.
Nice, FIAS 0. Congrats. Yeah. Why FIAS 0 for this development?
Bruns Realty Group has been doing a number of projects. We've built over 400 units of net zero projects, multifamily.
Nice. Yeah.
And we decided to kind of raise the bar and do FIAS certified or FIAS 0, and also low embodied carbon construction.
Excellent, excellent. So you're looking at the total building emissions. Yeah.
Yeah,
fantastic.
It's market. Key point is market rate. So all the projects we've done for the last 10 years have been market rate, net zero, and there's certain aspects where we've run through Wolfie Passive and PHPP before. That's our energy modeling. Even though we know we're failing.
Yeah, right.
That's been the model to be to net zero and to figure out the most cost-effective way in a market rate scenario to do it.
Nice.
And so we're very familiar with what we need to do to get to the next level.
Yeah.
And part of it is just to do it to do it in a market rate way has been what's been special about this team and how we've been approaching all these units for these years. So now our intention is to go into FIAS and have a similar approach of how do we cost effectively keep these market rate apartments. And so it's a fun group and a great team, and that's our next challenge.
Well, and cracking that nut is so important to the project that NYSERDA and Buildings of Excellence is all about, which is to figure out how to make all of this scale and work economically and deliver clean and resilient buildings to all people, right? Yeah. Could you talk a little bit about the role that you see the BOE program playing in market rate development of exemplary buildings?
The focus of this project is to pretty much wring the cost out of the FIAS design, make it something that is viable on an economic level. The community that it's in, the rent level there is not high, so we are definitely focused on getting the cost down.
Well, I really appreciate that you're doing the work you're doing, and congrats again on the award, and and all the best of luck with the project.
Yeah, thank you.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
Yeah.